On Friday night, I got a message from our buddy Lance that one of his buses he was driving, all of a sudden it made a screaming noise from the front right wheel, just a really loud screaming noise. Very concerning. He immediately pulled over into a gas station, and then we went out there to meet him to see if we could help him fix up whatever was wrong. Well, when we got into it, it wasn't a wheel bearing or anything. It was a brake spring had broken off in there and got all stretched out and was coming apart. There's metal pieces and molten metal in there. I can see that this was definitely making a lot of noise. It was up against the brake and the drum, and obviously it would have had some sparks coming out of there and everything else. So this would have been really, really bad. You can see the shiny metal where it was rubbing on the backside of the studs there and everything. So I could see this thing definitely made a lot of noise. It really pulled that spring all apart. You can see the chunks of it here and everything. It's missing and worn through, but that's crazy. So these pieces of metal here in that giant spring was inside the drum, making a horrible screeching noise.
I'm so glad I was near your place.
Yeah. Well, I did bring a few parts with me. I brought, wheel bearings and seals and everything like that. I didn't think it was going to be a brake spring, but we're only 20 minutes from home, so I called Kelly and had her run me over a new brake spring so we could replace this just to get them back on the road.
You bring screwdrivers? You bring your little hooks? Oh, what are those?
I didn't think I was working on brake springs.
What was that? But you've got this other tool. I'm sure you have that. The ones that you use for
heat hoses.
Yep.
For
Perfect.
picks. That's what we use too.
You not want to bring something?
No, I think we're okay. I didn't. This will go together really easy. He's got it now. You can probably get it by hand. Lift up on the bottom brake shoe. That's so gross. There you go. I was worried about that tail dragging. Well, that wasn't too bad. About an hour and a half, we had him back on the road, safely driving that thing again. I never expected it to be a brake spring. That was surprising. I've seen those things come off many, many times. I've never seen them get stuck in there like that. But I could see how that was making a heck of a lot of noise. It really stretched that thing all apart and crazy.
See that white smoke rising up the holler through the trees, and from a mile away you can hear them play as they climb that hill with ease. But at the top of that mountain there's a new life waiting for those who can make the run. If they can make it to the top, Scott will put them in the shop till their new life has begun. Mountain, where the buses come to run. Bus Grease Mountain, we're gonna get that big job done.